All right, guys. Now this is section 3.5, and we are going to graph equations of lines using the slope-intercept form. Remember, the slope-intercept form is in the form y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, and on this example problem over here, you have negative 5x minus 2. My negative 5 is my slope, and my intercept is negative 2. When you take the test, tell me what the slope is. Tell me what the intercept is so I know what's going on. And so if we want to graph this, I'm going to go and click that little line toolbar, and I'm going to start at my y-intercept, which is negative 2. So I'm going to go click on the negative 2, and then I'm going to go to my slope. And remember, let's go back over here. Slope is rise over run. Rise over run. So my rise, I'm going to go up negative 5, and my run, I'm going to go over 1. So come back over to this equation. That means I'm going to rise negative 5, so that means I'm going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to go over positive 1. And then I get to check my answer. Okay, but another quick thing to look is, was my slope was negative? Am I going down the hill? Yes. Okay, so hopefully I did that correct. All right, way to go, guys. What about this? Well, here we go. Let's come back. Let's see, can I make that a little bit smaller and still have my graph? Yes. Okay, so here I have my slope, the equation of my line, y is equal to negative 11x. So here again, I'm going to come and write what my slope is, which is that negative 11, and my y-intercept. I don't have plus or minus anything. So guess what? That is 0. It's okay. You can always write that as y is equal to negative 11x plus 0. If you need to see it in that form of y equals mx plus b, write it like that. So if I need to come here and I need to graph, where am I going to start? Well, it says I'm going to go start it here. And if I come back to here, this says I am going to rise negative 11, and I'm going to run. I don't have that a fraction, but I can always make it a fraction. 1. Okay, so I'm going to rise negative 11. So here I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then I'm going to run 1. Okay, is my equation negative? Yes. Okay, am I going in a negative direction? Is my slope negative? Yes. Okay, now let me check. Fantastic. All right, next problem. Let's try problem number, oh, nope, I did want number 4. All right, what if I have this equation? Negative 6x plus y equals 1. Well, in order to be able to graph in slope-intercept form, I'm going to have to copy negative 6x plus y equals 1. And I need to put it in slope-intercept form. To do that, I'm going to add 6x plus 6x. Therefore, I'm going to have y is equal to 6x plus 1. My slope, therefore, I now know is the 6, or 6 over 1. That's my rise. This is my run. And my intercept is 1. So I can come back over to my graph, and I'm going to start at 1. Well, let me click on the line. So I'm going to start here at 1, and then I'm going to go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, 6 and 1. Okay. And you're going to click enter. Now let's go to section 4. All right. So we want to write the equation of a line when m, our slope, is equal to 5, and our intercept is equal to b, or our intercept is equal to 3. So the first thing I would like to see here is y is equal to mx plus b. Then you're going to come in and fill in m and b. What is m? Ooh, it's 5x plus 3. And that is your answer. It's as simple as that. You're going to have so much fun with this. Another example, write the equation of a line when m is equal to negative 2/3 and b is equal to 0. Again, start off by writing the equation of the line. Y is equal to mx plus b. So let's fill in m. What is m? Negative 2/3 x plus 0. Okay, that is absolutely true. The other option you could do is just like that. Both perfectly great answers. Nothing wrong with either one of those answers. Now, let's write an equation of the line when b is equal to 2. All right, well, let's start off. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, so I know my b is minus 2. I got my y is equal to. What about that m and x? Do I have any m's? Do I have any slope? No, I have nothing, so I'm going to leave it blank. So my final answer is going to be y is equal to negative 2. Okay, so sometimes with those last two examples, sometimes we don't have an intercept or our intercept 0, and sometimes we don't have any slope. We have 0 slope. And 0 slope, remember, is that horizontal line, but it's perfectly acceptable. So email me if you have any questions. Have fun with this section.